Welcome to our channel. If you need to report workplace safety violations to OSHA and track enforcement, follow these step-by-step instructions to protect worker safety. Step 1. Document the safety hazard in detail, including the nature of the hazard, location, which employees are affected, and any injuries or near misses that have occurred. Take photos or videos if safe to do so. Step 2. Determine if the hazard requires immediate OSHA attention. Situations involving imminent danger of death or serious physical harm should be reported immediately by calling 1-800-321-OSHA 6742. Step 3. For non-emergency complaints, visit OSHA's website at osha.gov and locate the file a complaint online option. You can also download a complaint form and submit by fax or mail. Step 4. Choose whether to file your complaint anonymously or provide your contact information. While you can file anonymously, OSHA takes non-anonymous complaints more seriously as they can follow up for additional information. Step 5. Complete the complaint form with specific details about the hazardous conditions, including the exact location, description of the hazard, and which OSHA standard you believe is being violated if known. Step 6. Indicate how many employees are affected and whether your employer knows about the hazard. This information helps OSHA prioritize inspections. Step 7. Submit your complaint and save your confirmation number. OSHA will review complaints and determine whether an on-site inspection is warranted based on the severity and credibility of the allegation. Step 8. Track your complaint by contacting OSHA's regional office for your area. You can request information about whether an inspection was conducted. Federal law protects workers from retaliation for filing OSHA complaints. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.